Alright, so I was just mowing the grass here with my Cub Cadet lawn tractor here, XT1, and the belt just came off. You can see it right down here. Probably it's not going around this wheel, is all I know to call it, right now. It's above the wheel rather than being on the wheel. So this video is going to show how to correct that real quick. First thing I've done is I've put the deck as low as I can, so it should basically be on the ground now. That'll give me better access to it. I'm also going to just clean some of the debris out of here, just because don't need that junk in the way. I've already tried just jimmying the belt into place here, and I really can't get it there. I don't have enough space to get my hands on this side, so I'm going to just remove this whole piece here. If we look there, it's got 1, 2, 3 bolts. They look to be about 5 1/16 inch, so let's give that a shot. Yeah, 5 1/16 will do it. Probably. I can just probably slip this away and get the belt back on now, but I want to see it better. There are no nuts underneath it or anything. So that piece just comes right out, and now I can very easily slip the belt right back on. So this gear right here, the belt here on that gear drives the actual blade underneath the deck, and so without this I was unable to actually mow anything. So now I'm going to just put this back on place. I'll put these bolts back on, and then it should just work. Excellent. It's working now. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. If you want to see more like this, be sure and subscribe. Oh yeah, don't forget to reset the deck to your normal cutting height when you're done. Whoops.